We got a 2014 Mustang GT, and my glove box will not close. Now, crazy enough, I thought this thing was broke. However, it's not broke, man. I had tape on this thing for months, taping it up. I just looked at a video, and I might as well share it for the Mustang guys and maybe anybody else. I don't have any extra light, but let's check it out. Let's see if we can see up in there. This is what it'll latch to. None of this is a problem. First off, let's see. Won't close. But there's a latch right here that you just literally got to pull down and back. After over time, it just keeps getting pushed up there. Watch this. Fucking done. I can't believe it's been like 2 months. I've been riding around like this, like a crackhead with tape. Y'all see that shit, man? To any car. This happened on my daily too. I'm about to go do it on my daily and see if it worked too. I can't believe that. I can't believe it. I was just about to rip this thing off. There y'all go. Quick glove box fix.